Today I visited Jabulani Pepsa for FoneYam rental service. FoneYam is a rental device, and at the end of the rental period, you can either purchase the device at fair market value or return the device. Once you apply, you will receive a qualifying offer amount. You can then select the device.
So Telkom, the Telkom is open to all the networks, and then Bagupa free gig data, which is valid for 99 rand.
All right,
thank you.
All you need to apply is your SAID document or passport and a selfie one.
Your warranty, if it gives you technical problems within 7 days, that's saying a charge or only. This is what basically is written here. You need to sign. Okay, if it gives you technical problems within 7 days, you bring it back together with the slip and the box. We assess what's the problem. It doesn't cover physical damage. Once it cracks the screen or relevant in the invoice, the guarantee and the warranty. Yes, please keep the box safely. Please keep the slip safely. We need them both, this box and this slip. When it gives you any technical problems, make sure it is into, you keep them together for a period of 1 year. Yes. Once you crack the screen, make sure which is over the screen so they can be safe, just to protect it.
A small upfront payment is required. Apply for FoneYam smartphone at selected PEP or Ackerman store or online on foneyam.co.za. Now I have Samsung Galaxy A05. This is how it looks. Very demure. I'm happy with FoneYam service and the treatment at store. Bye.